We have a firework.
Wow.
I hate poo and pee. What the? Ah, Mom, the box. Oh, Mamma Mia. What? Maybe we want. I know you see me while the recording. I know. I'm gonna send this to YouTube. I'm gonna send.
Everyone, can you say "ew" in the comment section below? Because everyone say "ew" to me.
Cal, you whine. People, don't listen to Kellen. Kellen always lie. She lied in Brookhaven. She lied in Spider. She lied in real life. She lied in Today. Then she lied to Daddy. This is what she did. Ah! Oh my God! It's explosions on the ocean. We're quadrilateral all friends. Oh my!
Go down. Okay. I think we erase.
That's a big one. I'm so happy I see all the.
Everyone is going to type the "ew" emoji in the
No, Cameron. He's gonna type. Somebody's gonna say "wow" in this comment below.
If everyone watch YouTube on your iPad, just see the comments.
No, they will just order it online. Mommy, I'm gonna make my YouTuber. I'm gonna make my plushie.com. I'm gonna make my plushies.
Your own plushie?
Hey, Cameron, I think the fireworks is done. Oh yeah, it's not. It's not done right now. We have more energy.
Because I am going to. Everyone, keep put the hearts emoji in the comments. Oh, a 1,000 heart emoji because of fireworks. And the last one, I can say why in the comment section. Because this firework is crazy.
I'm trying to see the fireworks because you keep bugging everybody in the
You
comments.
guys want to say uwu, a heart emoji, and a Y emoji in the comments.
What the poop is?
You do the same.
Hey, Cal, what the poop and garbage and the moo and the poo poo in them is that?
This is my good job. I wish I could kiss the firework.
Oh my, Cal's gonna explode. Cal, I think I'm gonna.
That's a big fat firework.
Cal, Caillou's dad is.
There's a. I can't see it. If you open the window, that'd be.
I just saw Caillou by now. I think it's ringing. Wait, it's just fire sound.
Yeah, just fire sound.
Oh yeah. It's just explosions. Be careful not to die. Guys, subscribe if you want to buy this one. You can buy it at. Guys, Cameron is recording on the iPhone 14.
Wait.
Cameron's recording the iPhone 14.
Go 5 point. This is easy.
Yeah, that's easy. Let's save that for later. How to remember our lives. We have to survive this work. Cameron, you have to go to school and college and listen to your rules, and then you will get paid by $100,000.
I'm going to cry all these tears because the
You're bad. Cameron, stop. What the turkey begins. Can you make a quiet here? Let her say something. Cameron, do you have a concentrate? Cameron.
I was saying this to my mom.
No, your mom is there. Mom knows. Your mom. Mom.
This is better.
Oh my God! Guys. You better subscribe right now because everything is gonna explode.
Wow, there's so many rainbow colors like purple, pink, red, green, and I think that's it.
Or gold. Can somewhere. Wait. Those done? Please.
I recording on my phone for right now, so I can send to my mom. But for now, she is not here.
Oh my god. Why is there more fireworks right now?
Because she went to work.
Bro. Oh my god.
I will put the L emoji.
Cameron, are you gonna put the loser L emoji?
Not a
Cameron, it was not the. That's a beep beep sound.
Wait, is that smoke?
Just smoke. Better not
Because
die.
the phone said if I'm smoke.
Oh my god. Oh my. Yep, we ready again. Oh. There's more firework.
I believe it's so bright.
Yeah, you keep talking to. What? That's a Scorpy thing. Kevin talking. Last time she was talking to herself.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did. Last time you did that.
I did.
Kevin, you better not subscribe to your channel.
Oh no! Someone say ooh. Okay, I gotta learn myself. Say.
Kevin, I think the firework.
I will show the whole squad where I am. I know to say ooh. Okay.
That's a firework.
Ooh.
Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a 3D shape, but from morenaturalforyouteacher.com.
Time to say ooh. Ooh. And when you think you like my ooh in the comment section.
No, don't like Counselor. She has a bad voice.